This is going to be a video product review of the NutriBullet. Now, if you look at my channel, I did a review a couple weeks ago. I picked up the Ninja Foodie Smoothie, whatever the heck that thing is, at Costco. And it made a really nice milkshake, and it did very good with the smoothies. I'm surprised. And it also did really good just putting coffee and ice together. So I tested it out, made a really good video, and then I took it back because I really didn't need it. I already have a Vitamix, and I have a Blendtec, and I have access to 2 more Vitamixes and Blendtecs, so I really don't need any of this stuff. This is the NutriBullet. It's on sale right now at Costco, normally $99 on sale for $79, and I know the lighting isn't the best. I'm doing this on my kitchen floor. Sorry about that. Here's the motor. What do we have? Oh, that's kind of... Oh, we got suction cups on the bottom. Interesting. Okay, so we've got extract, pulse, low, medium, high, and the power switch. And I'm not going to mess with it in the box, but we've also got the blender, which is sitting in the box, and we have 2 of the smoothie units with the cap, and 2 metal straws, and some type of a cleaning brush that comes with it. All I'm going to do right now, it's kind of late, I'm going to make a milkshake, and we're going to see how it comes out. I learned my lesson with the Ninja Foodie Smoothie, is I put it on, they had a pulse thing, or they had just had a button where you could press it and start it up, and it would run for a minute, and by the time a minute was over, it wasn't a milkshake anymore. It was mostly a lot of liquid. So I'm just going to put the milkshake on low. We'll see if it comes out good. I don't know if I'm going to keep this thing. I'm sure Costco doesn't want me to return another item. But, hey, maybe this will help everybody out. It says pitcher lid with lid cap, tamper, 32-ounce cup, 24-ounce handle cup, 2 to-go lids, easy twist extractor blade. That's what I want to look at before I continue with my video. I was serious when I said I'm doing this on the kitchen floor right next to the dog bowl. The thing I don't like about... Okay, this is the NutriBullet. The thing I don't like about the Ninja, and that's why I'm opening this up now, is the Ninja has a blade on it that will rip your finger. It will cut your finger in half. It's extremely sharp. The Blendtec does not have that, and the Vitamix doesn't have that. They're just metal pieces that pulverize whatever you put in there, but they don't cut. So I'm doing a test right now. I'm risking injuring myself for my viewers. This makes me very happy to see. There is no blade on this. Just like on the Blendtec. What does it say? There's a number for the blade. Just like the Blendtec and the Vitamix, there is no blade on this. Now we do have this pointy piece over here. Again, no blade on it. It's pointed, but you're not going to... I'll tell you, that Ninja thing, if your finger hits the edge of it, it's going to slice it open. And it's frightening. So I feel really good about this right now. I can't wait to make the milkshake. I'm going to put this in the sink, wash it up. I'm not going to do it in the blender. I'm going to do it in the cups. Let me show you those. The dog is behind me. She can't stand when I make videos, especially at night. Okay, so this is the smoothie thing if you don't want to use the blender, and it comes with 1 of these. I was trying to figure out what the heck they gave me. Comes with this attachment that will go on the blender, and then after you're done, it comes with 2 caps, 2 covers that will go over here to seal this. And let me take one out of the box really fast since I'm trying to make a good video. Is this where the straw goes in? Because I did say it comes with curved metal straws. So there's the cover. And it opens up. It's a nice seal to it. Nice snap, so it's not going to spill in the car unless you mess up. And I guess that's where your little metal straw would go in. Okay, so that's nice. I'm not going to need that. What I really need to do now is wash this. It will take a few seconds. I'll put this on the counter, and then I'll run this, and we'll find out how angry my neighbors get having this thing run. I don't know how noisy it is, but I'm looking forward to making a milkshake. After I do that, I'm going to do what I did with the Ninja. Tomorrow, I made this mistake with the Ninja. With the Ninja, I made an ice cream milkshake, and then after that I did a smoothie, and after that I did a coffee, and all three of those, and I drank all of them, and my stomach was killing me. Milkshake tonight, smoothie tomorrow, and then the coffee after that with ice, and we'll see, is this better than the Ninja smoothie? I was really impressed with the Ninja smoothie, I will say that. The only thing I did not like is the blade, which I thought was extremely dangerous, and I did not want it in my house. That is my young lady. She's going to get up now. She cannot stand when I make videos. She's very unhappy. Stop it. Sit down. Sit down. She's very unhappy that I'm doing this. So I'm going to make the milkshake right now. I love you. I do want to say, I like that they include not only the blender, but both of these in the package. I love my Vitamix. The Vitamix costs $299 on sale, usually $3.99. And if you want to get the package, which is two of these things with the bottom, it's another $100. I don't know why they do that. I know, well, they're doing it for money, but I don't know why they do that instead of just saying, hey, you've already given us money, we'll give you a good deal. So let's try this out right now. I've got it plugged in. The cords on these things are less, probably like 4 or 5 feet at the most. Let me get out the ice cream and the milk, and I'll be back. Princess, she's sitting here waiting for me to make this milkshake. Once I'm done, she'll go to bed. But when I'm doing stuff, she doesn't like it. That's my little lady. I love you very much. Yes, I do. Sorry about the messy sink. The ice cream is really rock hard. The freezer is really cold, very cold. Usually with a milkshake, you don't want to put a lot of milk in there. But with these things, if you don't have enough milk in there, it's going to bind up and freeze, and I don't want to deal with that. So I probably have too much milk in there. I've got half this container filled with milk. Way too much, but that's okay. We've got a lot of ice cream in there. Back in the fridge, we're going to go put on the lid. Now, they had a notice over here, like I was talking about, sharp blade. I think that was just, there is no sharp blade here. It looks like it's a sharp blade. Just be careful. Okay, so I'm going to put the cover on here. Make sure you don't cross-thread this thing and put it on the wrong way, or else you're going to have a worthless unit here, and you don't want to have a bad unit, right, guys? Okay, so we've got the cover on there. Make sure it's on tight. You don't want, oh, they also say don't put hot liquid in there, same as with Ninja. You can put hot liquid in a Vitamix. You can put something on and heat it for like 4 or 5 minutes and make soup. But with these things, if you put heat in them, they will explode. You don't want to do that. You will injure yourself. They've been sued way too many times. So let's put this on the blender and we'll see how noisy it is and how it works. On the blender, does it have a lock feature? I don't know how this works. Does it snap in? It snaps in. We press the power button. You can't really see that. You don't need to see it. I should show it to you. Right over there. Power button, and then we're going to do the settings. I'm not going to show you the blending because power button, is it on? Lights are flashing, making a nice little show. Let's just put it on low and we'll see what happens. Oh, I like that. I like it. I'm going to do what they do at the donut shop. I'm going to put this on a pulse mode. At the donut shop, they put, no. Okay. I think I've overdone this. I'm going to keep it on for it's not that noisy. I am surprised. I thought this would be really loud. For an apartment, it's very comfortable. I didn't notice the max line over there before. It's starting to fill all the way up to the top. It's starting to bog down now here. It's slowing down a little. You press the button again, it goes off. I'm going to press the on-off button. So I might have filled it too high. I don't know. Oh, look at that disgusting sink. You need to get married and get a wife to take care of that. Oh, I didn't say that. Let's unscrew this thing. Well, let me turn this off for a minute. That's the problem with any of these blenders. If you put in too much milk, it's always going to be runny. And, I heard the little suction vacuum thing. That's why if you had hot liquid in there, and when you did that, it would expand. And okay, so this is good so far. It's a little, I put in a lot of milk, so obviously it's going to be runny. That's on me. I knew that, but I didn't know. This was my first time. This is a lot of milkshake to be drinking at night. Good thing I bought some lactose-free milk, right? Let me test this out. You can look at my dirty sink while I test it out. Oh my God, is that good? It's coffee ice cream. Look at that. A little bit less milk. And this would have been a really thick milkshake. This is nice. The reason I say it's nice is because it's simple, it's easy. A good product. The price is reasonable for people that don't have a lot of money, that they don't want to buy the Vitamix and the Blendtec, which are both excellent products and worth every penny. If you don't have the money for that, you get your big blender and two of these little mixer things and the cups and the straws and the cleaner thing, and you can make a milkshake. Tomorrow we will make the fruit smoothie. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. If I can find affiliate links for this on Amazon, I bought it at Costco, but if I can find the links, if you click on them, it helps me make money. If it doesn't, if you don't buy it from them, as long as you shop on Amazon, click on the link, donation links. See you tomorrow. We'll do the smoothie. One more taste. I know you want to hear me go, oh, baby. Boy, is that good. Not only is it good and unhealthy, but it's so easy to make. Yeah, I went past the max line with that. Really good. Really, really good. I'm happy so far. I'm impressed. Am I going to keep it? Usually I buy stuff and I return half the stuff I buy. This might be something worth keeping. This might be just a simple, make a smoothie in 2 seconds, and sometimes with the Vitamix I say, I don't want to mess with that whole thing, and I just don't do it. But the neat thing about the Vitamix is I can put 4 handfuls of spinach in a drink with a little bit of orange juice. With this, you're not going to get all of that, but you might use it more often. We'll see. Baby, good night. I love you. Okay, come on. Come on. We're done.